What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati. One more time with another fresh one. Today I have a basic ABC medium skin fade, number 4 on top. I'm excited. You excited? My client here is excited. Shout out to Cuss from Customers Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Angelic Cuts, I see you. Once again, congratulations. Let's go! Alright, this video is going to be brief, quick, and sweet. Alright, let's get out of here. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber Studio in Waukegan, Illinois. We ain't hard to find. The Barber Illuminati is excited today. This is my last haircut of the day. What's today's date? Do you know? Today's September 9th. Sunday, September 9th. And I'm excited. As you already know my style, a great majority of the haircut has already been completed. I'm just showing my fitting techniques to you guys one more time. Nothing more, nothing less. I've been super busy lately. I haven't had the time to record, but today is my day. Shout out to Miguel Torres, Gonzo the Barber, I see you. These are my #1 fans, and I admire these guys. Barber Illuminati. All right. All right, as usual, I'm getting ready to create my first guideline with my 08 blade as usual. Here we go. Now keep in mind I have a number 4 on top. I prep a lot of the haircut here in order for me to complete it quickly. I don't intend to make a long video this time. This is going to be under 15 minutes, I believe. That's the plan, and I'm doing it. All right, that was the OA I just put down. Here comes the 000. Get in there. If my energy is kind of low this time, I've been working since 9 o'clock this morning, non-stop, not even a lunch break. It's approaching 6 o'clock. It's actually 5:47, and I'm still going without a break. So my energy is kind of low, but it's all good. The Barber Illuminati got to do what the Barber Illuminati got to do. Now, my point is, my energy is kind of low. I'm a little over the top sometimes, but this time my energy is a little low. It's in the low end. But at the end of the day, the Barber Illuminati will deliver the goods, as always. Barber Illuminati. Miss Regina from out of Texas, I see you. I know you're watching. This is the 50 below the 000. Then a little bit of my slim line below the 50 to remove the bottom line, as always. All right, I'm going to add a little bit of my slim line to make sure the bottom line is fairly out of there. By the way, I appreciate you guys who reach out to me to purchase my barber kits. I'm currently sold out. If you need to purchase a barber kit from me, please let me know. I can put it together. However, as of now, all my kits are completely sold out. I appreciate you guys for supporting the Barber Illuminati channel. When I have some more, I will mention it in my videos. But as of now, I'm currently sold out. I do not have any more left. I only had about, I believe, 7 of them, and I'm sold out completely. Of course, I'm going to have some more in the future. I will mention it in my future videos, but as of now, I do not have any more. But anyway, I just put my, I'm repeating the step one more time. I just put the OA down. This is the 000 one more time. As usual, I repeat the steps as needed, and that's exactly what I'm doing now. I put the OA down earlier. This is the 000 fitting into it. Then I'm gonna come behind with 000 with the 50, nice and soft. And then I'm gonna move on to my second guideline. Boom. We're looking good. All right. I have a number 4 on top. 4. Now I already put my 3.5 here. I already did my number 2 down here. So all I'm gonna do is move on and start fitting into my number 2 with the 1.5 blade. That's exactly what I'm gonna do now. Here we go. Keep in mind, already in the area that I'm blending, I already have a 2. So I'm going at an angle with my 1.5 fitting into the 2. Because I already prepped a lot of the steps before I begin to record. Okay, that was my 1.5. Then my 1A. Below the 1.5 at an angle, always. Then the 1 below the 1A. At an angle, always. Corner, corner, corner. A little bit of my OA below the 1, nice and soft. Boom. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps, but this time I'm gonna include the number 2 in the steps. This is my number 2. Keep in mind, above the number 2 I have a 3.5. So this is my 2 blending into my 3.5. Then I'm gonna just fade below it and move on. Boom, that's the 2. Then the 1.5 coming up. Basically the same thing I just did earlier, I'm gonna repeat. Here's the 1.5 at an angle into the 2. Always, angle, angle, angle. Thank you. Then here comes my 1A, below the 1.5 on the same manner, slightly lower. 1A. Then the one coming up. Here we go, the one. The OA below the one. Boom. All right, I'm gonna take some time to kind of look in the back of the head, making sure everything is thoroughly legit before I do the lining. Making sure everything is legit. All right, I see some touch-up I can do. Keep in mind, still have the OA blade on. I still have the OA on. I'm making sure everything is legit before I move on to the lining. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of my 000 nice and soft, just a tad bit of it, just the corners, a little bit of my 000 below the OA. Then I'm gonna move on. Boom, fair enough. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and complete the front lining on the right hand side of the haircut. A quick span, and we're out of here. I need some lunch. I mean, it's not even lunch anymore. I don't know what to call it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and I already did the lining on the front left. I'm gonna include the front right in it. Let me adjust the lighting on the camera a bit. It might be a little too bright. Boom. All right, here we go. All right. A little bit of the C cup. Boom. All right. I'm going to be including a razor lining in this haircut. However, I'm not going to record that part just for the sake of making the video much shorter. So, hello sir. Well, life is good. What can I do for you?
Do you know when this is happening?
Huh?
At school?
Yeah, give me a moment, okay?
Oh, okay.
I'll be right with you.
Yeah, I got you.
All right. All right, YouTube. As you can see, I have company. I'm gonna do a quick spin of the haircut. Then we're gonna move on. All right. Here we go. Keep in mind, this is a medium skin fit, all detachable blades, number 4 on top. Bear with me. There we go. This is the entire work. Nice and clean. Like I always said, the Barber Illuminated channel is the only all detachable blade on YouTube. The one and only. I'm going to do one more spin for you guys to see one more time. I'm very proud of this haircut. It comes out pretty clean. I'm excited. Everybody's excited. I'm super excited. You're excited. My client here is excited. Even if it's not showing it, it's all good. It's very professional. All right, YouTube. If you watched the video all the way this far, I thank you. I recommend that you subscribe to the channel right now. Also, feel free to look me up on Instagram, Barber Illuminati.